Trim the edge and put the mini crackers in the packages. The baby tuck is so compact. Perfect mini snack, but we run out of it pretty fast. All the crackers are gone in the blink of an eye. Cindy has started a healthy diet. She keeps chewing on apples, but deep down she's dreaming of chips and French fries. The healthy diet is not my cup of tea. I open up a package of nachos right before my friend's eyes. I can't see my friend suffer. I've got a micro nachos replica for her. You can still keep fit with this tiny snack. Cut a potato into thin slices. Cut them into strips and split it into small triangles. Add spices. Put the triangles on the parchment paper smudged with oil. Add salt and pepper. Turn on a grill mode and bake them for 20 minutes. Cut out and double tape a mini nachos package. Put the mini nachos into it. My friend likes the baby nachos. Cheat meal that keeps you fit. But once she bites the forbidden nachos, she wants more and more. Finally, she snatches the whole package from my hand. But I know what to do. I will take giant Doritos chips. Cut out tortilla or flatbread on parchment paper. Form a triangle. Put paprika, turmeric, and salt into vegetable oil. Cover both sides of the triangular chip with the spicy oil mixture. Grate Parmesan on top of it. Bake it for 5 to 10 minutes at the temperature of 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And make a few giant nachos. Attach foil to one side of a big red paper piece. Print a big Doritos label and attach it to the other side. Hot glue the big wrapper and put in the giant nachos. Who needs a regular pack when you can get mountain-sized nachos? I tear apart the package. Here it is, my precious! These giant chips are so heavy that I can't hold them. My friend also wants to try a piece. No way! The healthy apples are your meal for today. A healthy candy bar can also be tasty. Cindy eats her fitness bar and I watch her enviously. Is there a piece for me? But my friend is unbending. I get only a small version of the bar. Cut off a small elongated piece of a fitness bar. Press it with fingers to shape a mini bar. Print out a mini label and cover it with clear tape. Fold up the wrapper. Put in the mini bar. Trim the edges. This bar is so teeny, as though it's lost some weight after fitness exercises. I eat it in a split second. Oh, it's delicious, but it's not enough. Is it a special way of portion control? Emma is trying to guess which hand the gift is in. The first try failed. On her second attempt, she finds a small cup of wasabi peanuts. Chop fried peanuts. Dip each piece into wasabi sauce and let it dry. Cover a small paint container with blue acrylic paint. Print a mini peanut label and attach it to the container. Cut a seal with a tab out of self-adhesive foil. Put the dried peanuts into the can. Attach the foil seal. My friend takes off the foil and throws all the peanuts into her mouth in one move. She doesn't even share it with me. I think I shouldn't have been so kind to others. Did you like our weird snack ideas? Then write in your comments which snack size you will choose to share with your friends. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new edible transformations on the Troom Troom channel.